everybody. So let's start with the next type of future tense, that is future perfect tense. What is future perfect tense? This tense is used to describe that an action will be completed in the future. It means something that we can say is already started or will start, but it will be finished in the future. कोई चीज़ जो future में जो काम खत्म हो चुका होगा. The boys will have finished their game. Boys अपनी game खत्म कर चुके होंगे. So it means that they might have already started their game or they will start their game, but at a certain point of time their game will have been finished. जो काम हो चुका होगा, जहाँ पे चुका होगा साउंड आती है या चुके होंगे साउंड आती है, there we use future perfect tense. Usages of future perfect tense. To talk about an action that will finish before a certain time in the future. My assignment will have been finished by 8 o'clock tomorrow. अब फ्यूचर में कोई काम खत्म हो चुका होगा किसी certain time तक. For that we use future perfect tense. Here this is in passive voice. In active voice we can say I will have finished my assignment by 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock तक मेरी assignment पूरी हो चुकी होगी. To talk about an action that will be completed before another event takes place. For example, we will have learnt English before we move to abroad. अब फ्यूचर में दो चीज़ें होने वाली हैं, बट एक चीज़ होने से पहले दूसरी चीज़ ख़त्म हो चुकी होगी. फॉर दैट वी यूज़ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी विल हैव लर्न्ड इंग्लिश बिफोर वी मूव टू अब्रॉड. अब्रॉड जाने से पहले हम इंग्लिश सीख चुके होंगे. So it means two actions are going to happen in the future, but for the action that is completed, for that will be completed, for that we'll use future perfect tense. To express conviction that something happened in the near past. Now, sometimes we might have some idea. हमारे पास हमें कुछ अंदाज़ा होता है कि ये चीज़ ख़त्म हो चुकी होगी past में भी. For that we can use future perfect tense. For example, somebody has started his journey. Somebody started 3, 4, 5 hours back, and by now the person might have reached at his destination. आपको अंदाज़ा है, कुछ आइडिया है कि ये काम ख़त्म हो चुका होगा. For that as well we can use future perfect tense. They will have reached Mumbai by now. अब तक वो मुंबई पहुंच चुके होंगे. So these are the usages of future perfect tense to talk about an action that will finish before a certain time in the future. To talk about an action that will be completed before another event takes place, and to express a conviction that something happened in the near past. What is the formation of future perfect tense? Here, first of all, auxiliary verb rule remains the same. You can use will with all the subjects, and if you want you can use shall with I and we as well. Subject plus will shall plus have plus past participle. Have shows that this is the perfect tense. Past participle means I had already told you whatever perfect tense is there, whether it is present, past or future, we only use past participle as the main verb. What is the past participle? That is the third form of the verb. So subject plus will shall, along with will shall we are using have as well. So subject will shall plus have plus past participle, and object if there is any. My friend will have left for Delhi. मेरा friend Delhi के लिए निकल चुका होगा. Right? Negative sentences, use of no, not or never. Negative word no or not comes between the helping verb and main verb. He will have not left for Delhi. Here will have are used as auxiliary verbs and left is main verb. And if you are writing in contractions, if you are writing in short form, then you can write he won't have left for Delhi. But don't forget to put this apostrophe after and. It describes that this is not. Interrogative sentences, at the end of the sentence use sign of interrogation to show that this is the question sentence. These sentences start with the helping verbs. The helping verbs will or shall. Only the subject and helping verb interchange their positions, thus the sentence remains the same. So the same rule is applicable everywhere. Will they have finished their game? क्या वो अपनी गेम खत्म कर चुके होंगे। आई होप you are clear with future perfect tense. Practice well. Thank you very much.